Yes, students, even though we have already discovered about double circulatory system in our last slide, but I thought to share, one more illustration with you so it will help you understand it even better. We already know that our circulatory system is a double circulatory system, means blood passes through heart twice. It has two parts. As you can see in this illustration as well, that this left side, it is actually dealing with oxygenated blood, which is actually represented by this red color, while this deoxygenated blood, which is on the left hand side, and it is represented by blue color. We can see this oxygenated blood, which is actually supplied by the lungs. It will come to the heart, and then from the heart it will actually go to the body cells. So from the lungs, which blood vessel is bringing? Basically pulmonary vein is bringing from the lungs, then aorta is taking from the heart to the body cells, then the main vein, vena cava, it is bringing back to the heart, and then finally pulmonary artery is taking from the heart to the lungs. These are the four main blood vessels that are taking part in this circulation. This is what from the lungs, pulmonary vein, then next is aorta, and then vena cava, and then finally this one is pulmonary artery. So I hope that this slide helps you to understand it a bit better. Now let's move on.